Ukuthi ufele kanjani, wengane wami ufele kanjani, So, guys, we have a topic which is called the thermoregulation. It is called what? Thermoregulation. They got this called endocrine and homeostasis, and we said we have 5 negative feedbacks. Yes. The negative feedback, your blood sugar level, your dioxin, your carbon dioxide, your salts, and what? And water. All of these 5 they belong to endocrine. There's only one that belongs to exocrine. Why? Because exocrine unit produces juices, and these juices are hammer by ducts. Do you understand? It produces juices, and these juices are hammer by ducts. Best ducts and juices are to the exterior. General example of an exocrine gland. We have a sweat gland. A sweat gland it produces it sweats. It sweats a hammer by it sweat ducts. It sweat ducts it sweats to the surface of the skin, to the exterior. See what I make. To understand? Yes. So when we're talking about thermoregulation, we are talking about the regulation of the temperature in our body. And yes. There are 2 structures in our body that regulate the temperature. It is the brain and what? And the skin. It is the brain and the what? And the skin. Which part of the brain regulates the temperature? The hypothalamus. Which part of the brain regulates the temperature? The hypothalamus. The function the hypothalamus is T-paste. T-paste. Now T-paste to T represents temperature. P represents pressure of blood. A represents appetite. S represents sleep. T represents earth. E represents emotions. So that's actually the second part of the body that regulates the temperature. It is the skin. Now, which part of the skin regulates the temperature? About blood vessels. Now, among blood vessels, guys, whether it's on a hot day or on a cold day. Now, on a hot day, our blood vessels they dilate. If they dilate, it means they become wide. Now, if they become wide, it's called the vasodilation. It's called what?
The vasodilation.
And on a cold day, our blood vessels constrict. If they constrict, they become how? Narrow. That is called what? Vasoconstriction. So, when the skin on a hot day, the blood vessels will dilate. That is called vasodilation. Vasodilation. This means more blood flows to the surface of the skin. Okay.